What the hell, man? What's up, man? Tell your neighbor what's up, motherfucker. Tell your neighbor. Tell your neighbor. Tell. Just say what? If she's a lady, just say, what's up, Beehive, man. Ha! Oh my God. I tell you, man. I tell you, dudes, man, and big inches, and you know. Balune manja kudayo. Mugawaka. Okay. We moved from this place, man. We got another place, man. And we bamushed. LA. Now we stopped in New York. Huh? No, LA. What's okay that LA, man? That's Los Angeles, man. Oh, when you come Mavega. So, in LA, man, you know, it's surprising, man. We saw people who look like you. We saw black people. We saw people who look like us, man. We saw them. They're not movie actors, not movie actresses. Nobody named BAKOLA, man. Inabapeno ngabamba mayito okutembea nelyo basanga okutembea kweli kwa chimene wachiniga nyo. To find them on the streets ngabakulula emikuku jenga like some boy ngoga yeah bo. We met people. I met this guy, Chris Brown. I met Chris Brown, man. I saw Chris Brown. Say I saw Chris Brown, man. You know, there is a difference when you are in Uganda and you see Chris Brown on TV. It is different when you are in Uganda. But it is crazy when you see Chris Brown still on TV but in America, you know? I saw Chris Brown, man, in LA. What a shame, man. It's crazy. Batulambuza, Hollywood, Beverly Hills, where the stars live. Nifula kunyumba ya abakabi, Dolly Parton. Nifula kunyumba ezo zaba actresses ne actors like Nicolas Cage. Never plug such houses. Abakabi. How? Omukube batulaga yali mwera. Like nebatulaga. Nekuba kafana ningamba I wish nebatulaga n'abafa ng'ennyumba zaabwe zikyaliwo. Wana abantu baba bagaba na detaka. Nebatulaga MJ, nebatulaga everyone where they stay or they used to stay, man. I was like, wow, what the hell? Ne ngonyumba zaba zezo, much as they don't stay in town, like in LA town, ne ejibabiru labire ngudo checho batuka omugaya yenga abalambuza, you know, just niggas, man, when they're taking you around, man, you know, like, you know, see that building onto our house there, that was for Nicolas Cage. He sold it to one of the Chicans in LA, Kampala Wandajja. I was like, what? What is she, man? That house, man? Oh, I've heard. Like, it was crazy. They showed us all those houses. Netugamba, what Kampala, Uganda. They showed us the stars. You know those Walk of Fame stars? Buli star bero konola Jack Chan. You take pictures. Nola bomulala. Bas ababakabi. Nola bomulala Nicolas Cage. Nola bomulala Michael Jordan. You see those names. Nola bomulala Kaweso. Like them too. No, I met my reciters. Omani like. Nedaba. Nenkuwa wakafanya nengaba lwache Kampala techija. Kuba kafana ngoli ku street ze Kampala. Kampala Road, Buganda Road. You're walking around. No sangas emunyenye ya star wali. No ya bebe cool no posinga. Neba kuba ekifaananyi. No tambula wakajira kwa Chris Evans. What a shit, man.